Byrne, ag ei Crydd. Rhan a Wild I fyny na. Mae Danny Davies. Davies! O, na chi arbediad gwych! Gan Matthew Turner o'r ergyd gan Danny Davies. Wel, mi oedd hwnna yn mynd fel bwled i'r gornel ucha. O, gwych gan Turner. Hwlffordd lawr I 10 dyn dros dro. Scott Tancock yn derbyn triniaeth Danny Davies. Davies, croes y ochr bellach edrych. A Mike Wild! O, arbediad gwych eto gan Turner. Mae dal yna I creu Curran. Curran yn mynd am y postyn gosa. A mae Matthew Turner wedi rwystro gol sicr yn y fan yna I Mike Wild. A nid am y tro cynta'r hanner cyntaf yma, y golwr ifanc sydd ar fenthyg o Leeds yn cadw Hwlffordd yn y gêm. Aaron Williams ar arwydd. Da ni ar derfyn yr hanner cyntaf, George Horan! Sgorith o ddim gol haws y tymor hwn. Da ni mewn I 5 munud sy'n cael ei ychwanegu ar derfyn yr hanner cyntaf. Y gig gornel yn cael ei chodi fewn gan Aaron Williams a George Horan. Wel yn ei anwesu hi mewn I gefn y rwyd. Cameron Keach ar gei Crydd, peniad a draws gan Tancock. O, Corey Shepherd. O, ma'n bach I. Oedd hwnna ddim yn bell cynnig beiddgar gan Corey Shepherd. Y peniad ymlaen. A Shepherd yn ymateb. Ond y methu cadw'r bel I lawr. Williams ar tafliad. Pemberton ar peniad. A gan Lewis. Danny Holmes. Un uchel. Craig Curran ar ei holi. Curran! Curran! A draws y gol at Mike Wild! Dyna hi! Gol rhif 200! I Mike Wild yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Da ni di chwarae 14 o funudau o'r ail hanner. Cei Connah yn ymestyn I mantais. Gwaith da gan Craig Curran. Sgorith Mike Wild y fydd. Gol haws na honna. Hunt. Cyffyrddiad cynta yr eilydd. Wild. Bredwr. Parod iawn Mike Wild. Mae Callum Morris. Morris I fewn y cwr cosfi. Callum Morris! Gai da. I rwystro trydydd gol sicr I Cei Connah. Mi ddoth y golwr allan yn sydyn yn yna I nadu Callum Morris.
You know, you look at the game and then you look back at it and you see things different, but you know, the stats will show probably our most dominant performance of the season. You know, we pride ourselves on the amount of balls we get into the box, but also the amount of balls we pick up on the second phase where we score a lot of goals from. And, you know, we've peppered them today non-stop. You know, the pitch doesn't really help us at times to move it quickly, but we're very organised, we're very disciplined, and when we show Haverfordwest the utmost respect with the amount of work we've done this week on them, and, you know, sometimes the managers after the game will say, you know, oh, we didn't get our game going, we didn't get our passing game going. Sometimes they've got to think, well, maybe the opposition did a lot of hard work this week on making sure that you can't. That forces them along and into our strength. So, you know, game plan was great, execution was great, a little bit more quality at the final moments, and, you know, it may have been an easier afternoon.
You know, we found it quite difficult here today. Bubbly pitch, big, physical, strong team. You know, they played a certain way that up until 45 minutes, you know, I felt we dealt really well until, you know, we conceded. I think it was 12 to 14 corners, obviously for them. You know, they battered us first half, say it as is, but as a group we defended really well, and obviously you're coming in on the 45th minute to concede there. You know, the boys were flat after that because we put everything into it. And, you know, you come out second half then, and in the context of the game, you know, we didn't have many chances. We knew that. We put a lot of bodies behind the ball and blocks, but nah, totally different to last week, yeah.
Mike, fantastic. It must be a very, very special occasion for you.
Yeah, it is. I actually thought the occasion came, was it Tuesday night at Bala? I thought I hit the 200 mark then, but I had to wait a couple more days, and lucky enough I had the chance to put one away today, and I've done it. And yeah, it's a lovely occasion.
Has it been on your mind?
Only probably the past, only the past week, soon as it hit 199 really, to be honest. That's when you just think, well, let's get there as soon as you can. Because sometimes you can prolong stuff and it can kind of take its time sometimes. But lucky enough, it only took 1 or 2 games from when I last scored the 199 goal.
And the company you're keeping up the top there, you know, your name's amongst them. God, blame them, it's a heck of a feeling.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you know, obviously you've got Mark Lewis-Williams. I don't think anyone will catch him, although I probably assisted most of his goals as well in the first period when I was at TNS. But yeah, and obviously Rhys Griffiths and, you know, Lee Hunt as well. So yeah, they're all top quality goal scorers. It's nice to be up there and recognised.
We're almost at the break now, Wayne. Top 6?
Yeah, well, if it's there, it's there. You know, obviously we hear the news in the week. You know, obviously we've been beating the same drum up until now about, you know, fighting relegation. That isn't going to be the case. So why not? Let's just go and have a go at it now. There's no pressure on our club whatsoever. So, you know, we'll go, we'll enjoy. And fingers crossed, like you said, we make a good account of ourselves.